Okay, there's the strut out. Got the hole there, and here's what it looks like. Hey, here's a top tip when compressing springs like that. Always have your face to the side of it like you just saw me do. Don't be looking at it directly down while you're tightening the spring compressors, because if those things let loose, it's going to be bad for you. See what I mean right here? Got them to the side. Don't have your face up here. All right. Let's get this thing done. Last one I did, oil just poured out of the tube. So I knew that one was toast. Okay. Whoa. Ooh. Okay. The new one's a lot harder to move than the old one. Old one, it appears on the upstroke it's okay, but woo, on the downstroke it goes right down, and that's for the right hand side. Left hand side was totally screwed. So this one, left hand side totally screwed, right hand side only one direction was it screwed. So get them babies out of there. They give you a new B-nut to put on there. I like to put a little sealant on there. That'll do it. When you're doing this nut here, be careful not to chowder up the shock shaft there. That one's fine. I did manage to pop the bearing apart, and it just snaps apart. Make sure you don't lose all those little balls there. Keep them all, and then I cleaned it all up, brake cleaner and such, and then I re-greased it, and now I'm going to put it back together. So Make sure you don't lose any of those balls. And there you go. One strut rebuilt. Okay, here she is getting installed, and I don't have any of the accoutrements installed yet, just the thing, just the strut, and it's bolted down up here, and everything looks good up here. Alright, this is a view from down below. I just got the axle in, and there it is right there. So now I need to get this ball joint in. So I got the rebar hickey. And you just throw the rebar hickey down and move the... And there it is. Bam. Right there. All right, now we're getting the rest of it. Tie rod is in. I'm going to do the sway bar last. Okay, there it is, all together. I did break this tab off here that holds the speed sensor, so you can use the screw clamp here and just a couple of zip ties, and you're good to go. When I was maneuvering it around in the vise, changing out that, it broke off. All right, fine, big deal. Everything's tight, and we are good to go. Hey, one thing I wanted to show you here is these axle nuts get torqued to 214 foot-pounds. So put your big girl panties on and get that done. Alright, now that we've got everything together, time to put the wheels and tires on and get this thing out the door.